Good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to present a new topic, Introduction to Community Medicine. This subject is included in syllabus of all branch of medical sciences and useful for daily life, how we manage our health and maintain proper sanitation and prevention. So topic is Introduction to Community Medicine. We think about health, three aspects of health is preventive, social and medicine. So what is preventive, what is social and what is medicine? Preventive means how we prevent or become safe from any communicable disease or any disease. Social means our society in which we live. So nature of society, construction of society or any specific diseases prevailed in society. Medicine. Medicine is therapeutic agent who restore or cure our health and save from the different diseases which is produced by our dietary deficiency or environmental changes or bacterial infection. So we see one by one in this class. So this video includes in this topic introduction, basic definition, aims and objectives, preventive medicine, public health, international organization. These topic included in this video. Introduction to community medicine. This branch recognized and developed in 1948. The World Health Organization produces a constitution. All over the world, health policy maker, financiers, health provider and consumers are aware of the need to reform the healthcare system. Informed opinion and active cooperation on the part of the public health are most important in the improvement of the health of the people. Clinical medicine has its focus on care to the diseased patient. Community medicine is concerned largely with improving the health status of the community. So in community medicine, we focused on the improving health status of our community with the help of different parameters. There is also a growing realization that preventive health technology has a greater role for a healthy life than clinically based technology. In order to meet these requirements, the future physicians should be what Bullen calls a 5-star doctor. 5-star doctor means the doctor bears quality of leadership, care provider, communicator, decision maker and manager. These 5 quality present in a good doctor who is called 5-star doctor according to Bullen. Definition. Community medicine. A technical decision group of WHO defined community medicine as a system of delivery of comprehensive health care of the people by a health team in order to improve the health of community. Also, community medicine is defined as the art and science of application of technical knowledge and skill to the delivery of health care to a given community. Design in collaboration with related professionals as well as human and social science on the one hand and the community on the other hand. Aims of community medicine: to reduce unnecessary morbidity and premature mortality in the whole population, explore greatest potential for health improvement. This is the aim of the community medicine. Objective: improve health status of a community. Information required: population data, health problems, disease patterns, availability of health services. These all factors required for the information. Action plan: community health program. Preventive medicine. Preventive medicine, an academic discipline and a medical specialty with its own certifying board, is defined as the science and art of preventive disease, prolonging life and promoting physical and mental health and efficacy. Public health defined as the science and art of preventing disease, prolong life and promoting physical and mental health and efficacy through organized community effort for the sensation of the environment, the organization of medical service for the early diagnosis, prompt treatment and prevention of disease, the development of the social machinery while will ensure to very individual in the community a standard of living adequate for the maintenance of health. These all includes in public health. The agency concerned with organized community health activities include municipal corporation, cantonment board, railway and industrial organization, social security council and institutions, involuntary agency like tuberculosis and public health association, medical association, governmental hospital and health departments. These agencies included in agency concerned with organized community health activities. Social medicine. Social medicine is the study of man in his total environment, physical, biological and socio-economic. It is concerned not only with curative medicine but also with health promotion and prevention. Social medicine is the study of man in his total environment, physical, biological and socio-economic. Component of social medicine: social anatomy, social physiology, social pathology. So what is social anatomy? A structure of society, population, age and sex ratio, social economics, housing system, etc. Social physiology: social function and activity of society. Social pathology: defect in society, theft, murder, robbery, sexual assault, etc. Social therapy: different types of social and medical prevention method for improvement of living, social and economic standard of society in different ways. So component of social medicine are social anatomy, social physiology, social pathology, social therapy. Various aspects of human physiology and social physiology. Human physiology: respiration, social physiology: air, ventilation, housing, digestion, nutrition and health, excretion, disposal of refuse, sewage, excreta, dead body, etc. Reproduction, family welfare services. growth, demography and population dynamics, coordination, customs, habit, traditions, belief, cultural practice, etc. So this is basic difference between human physiology and social physiology. Social hygiene. Social hygiene refers to the science of prevention and treatment of sexually transmitted infections, previously known as venereal disease. Venereal disease you learned in second BHMS in pathology. Community diagnosis. What is community diagnosis? This consists of identification and qualification of health problems in terms of morbidity and mortality rates, their effects on community. Difference between clinical diagnosis and community diagnosis. Clinical diagnosis made by physician, community diagnosis made by epidemiologist. Clinical diagnosis concerned with individual case, community diagnosis concerned with a definite population. Clinical diagnosis concerned with only sick people, community diagnosis concerned with both sick and healthy people. Clinical diagnosis, doctor examine the patient. In community diagnosis, epidemiologist conduct survey. Clinical diagnosis is arrived at based on sign and symptoms. Community diagnosis arrived at based on natural history of disease. Clinical diagnosis involves laboratory investigation, whereas community diagnosis involves epidemiological investigations. In clinical diagnosis, doctor decides the treatment. In community diagnosis, epidemiologist decides the plan of action. Clinical diagnosis has treatment is the main aim, and community diagnosis has prevention and promotion is the main aim. Clinical diagnosis involves the follow-up of the case, whereas community diagnosis involves the evaluation of program. Clinical diagnosis as doctor is interested in technological advancement, whereas community diagnosis as epidemiologist is interested in the statistical value. So this is basic difference between clinical diagnosis and community diagnosis. Community orientation. Community oriented medical education is defined as relevant medical education which takes into consideration in all aspects of its operation the health problem of community, in which it is conveyed its aim is to produce community oriented doctors who are both able to and willing to serve their community and deal effectively and efficiently with health problems at every level. This is community orientation. Community based education. Community education is defined as a system of education which carried out outside the teaching hospitals and in the community whose first and second level health care facilities are available for this purpose. Example, urban or rural health care based unit, MCH center. Comprehensive health care. This refers to the provision of personal and impersonal health services like water supply, communicable disease, vector control to a community for the prevention of disease, cure of illness, prevent disability and economic insecurity and dependency associated with illness. Vertical program. A single program of health service for community, for example, expanded program of immunization project. Horizontal program, it is the health service delivery program which covers the two dimensions of health personnel and community health. This is the difference between vertical program and horizontal program. International organization. World Health Organization 1948, United Nations Children Fund UNICEF 1946, United Nations Fund for Population Activity 1974, United Nations Development Program 1966, the Food and Agriculture Organization 1945, the Swedish International Development Agency for Tuberculosis 1978, International Red Cross North Italy in 1859, Indian Red Cross 1920, along with many other organizations, international, national and local, who serve to prevent the many communicable diseases, nutritional diseases and other infective diseases on the basis of international, national and local level, along with family planning, child health, geriatric problem, environmental pollution and use of biostatistics also included in this subject. This is about introduction of community medicine. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. If you like more new topic on community medicine, you give me comment. Thank you.